1 sack of potatoes for 2 recipes. Let's get started. Peel and cut the potatoes into cubes. In a large pot, boil water and the potatoes for 20 minutes, then drain the water. Evenly separate the potatoes between 2 bowls. For the first bowl, we are making mashed potatoes. Add 3 spoonfuls of butter and mix until the butter melts. Sprinkle salt and add half a spoon of fresh garlic and mix again. Place in a container, sprinkle black pepper, and cover until dinner time. Now for the second recipe, we are making an egg salad. Boil, peel, slice 4 to 5 eggs and add them to the potatoes. Add onions, mayo, and mix again. Sprinkle some salt and mix one last time. Do a taste test to see if it needs more salt. It's perfect. Place in a container, sprinkle garlic powder, and cover until dinner time. I hope you enjoy these 2 recipes. Until next time, friends.